Hi, what's up XRP holder? In this video something very different from other my friends, but definitely just and only for XRP holders. Now my brother XRP holder, one thing I have very special for all of you today. Kindly if you not do this, so therefore remember this. First of all, this is not a financial video, but I just advise you, but please try to understand. If you are not watch this video and not do what I talk to you, definitely my friends you are lost, because I see a lot of holders doing very huge mistake, and I'm just trying to clear your this my friends this mistake to you will earn and get a very good profit now my friends for XRP. So XRP is one of the profitable coin. Definitely every holder my friends get a very good profit from XRP, but some holders are doing very huge mistake to they are starting selling in very wrong time. So I will tell you my friends to when you will need my friends to get a profit, you will need to start selling. So let's get start the brand video. Kindly if you are new my channel, subscribe this channel and don't forget to press the bell icon for videos notification. My brother, in previous days, a lot of coins were very badly fails down, but this time, as you can see, my friend, XRP plus 1.29% profit, and the highest price, as you can see here, 1.22 USD dollar, but the current price it fails down to 1.1 USD dollar. So, my friend, as you can see here, very huge difference from this huge target. They were fails down this target now. So, therefore, I will notify you to why the price will decreasing, and can there is a chance to the price will be again increase now, or they will decreasing hour by hour, day by day. So if my friends they will more fails down, so you will need to sell it, but if there is a chance, so they will move upwards, so you will need to hold and don't sell it. So let's start the live price prediction. I hope after this my friends my prediction you will better understand now to really can there is a chance, so they will move upward or not. Just a minute my friend. As you can see my friend, this is the last 1 month chart, so definitely this chart is clearly truly my friends to the price will increasing, but holders they are doing very huge mistake. Let's see my friend, I also don't know to what's they do, but let's see my friends. As you can see my friend, every cryptocurrency were moving in this circulation to after a jump they were fails down, but definitely my friend, and this time also there is a same now. So as you can see my friend, after this huge jump, as you can see my friends, they were fails down, but after this fails, absolutely you can see my friend the direction is already moving in upward direction, and I hope to they will more and more moving upward now. So therefore I will notify you to there is a chance my friends to they will moving upward more and more. So therefore don't starting selling, you will need to hold and wait for the good time. Thanks for watching XRP holder. Kindly like video and don't forget to subscribe channel.